This is the EVpad interface. I will show you how to use your handphone to access the Venus. So over here, all you need to do is just click on top, go to the right, the last one, and click on the mobile, and you get to see there is a Venus mobile app, right? So you can download the mobile app by scanning here. Yeah, say for example, you have phone here, you just need to scan here, and you will get to download the app. And after that, you will need to use this mobile phone binding and bind it to your phone, but only to one phone or one tablet. Once you have downloaded, it will be like this. Okay, so this will be your mobile phone app. So in this app, you can see the validity period is 0 days. So this is where you can scan, yeah, and you can scan the code earlier. Okay, but it only varies for 5 minutes, yeah. If not, then you have to open again and scan again. Okay, so after that, you can access to the VOD and also the live, like how you see it on your TV.